I noticed that some of you were having trouble sharing your Google Sheet link in this tutorial, so the purpose of this video is to go over again how to share your Google Sheet link for this tutorial and future assignments, and remove any restrictions so that I can view it in Canvas. So in this Google Sheet tutorial, let's assume you have a Google Sheet and you've put the data in and you've made a graph and done all the things that the tutorial recommends, and you want to share it. So over here where it says share, you'll see there's a lock on here and it says private only to me. So you click on that. That means that you're going to have to remove a restriction, the restricted thing, in order to share it. So right now it says restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I'm not expecting you to add me. I just want you to share with me a link where I can see your Google Sheet and share it in Canvas. And in order to do that, you're going to have to change this. Click on this drop down here, change it from restricted to anyone with the link, allowing anyone with the link to see the Google Sheet. So once that changes and this becomes green, then you can copy this link here by clicking on copy link. Go back to the Google Sheets tutorial assignment in Canvas, click on Start Assignment, paste that link into this box that pops up when you click on Start Assignment. So you'll paste that in there and then click on Submit Assignment, and then that way I'll be able to see your Google Sheet. Oh, look at that. It says, hooray, you did it. So assignment submitted successfully. So let me go over this one more time. So I can say new attempt here, and I'm in Google Sheet, and of course it says here, once the restriction thing is taken off, it'll say you can share and have this little icon here for public on the web. So anyone with the link will be able to see your Google Sheet. So you click on share. I went down here where it says get link, and you can click on change and choose the drop down here and change it between restricted or anyone with the link. You want it to be anyone with the link. Copy that link, click on done, go back to Canvas, click on, it'll have start assignment button up here, and it'll bring up this box. Paste the URL into the website URL box, click on submit assignment.